Making incense sticks is very simple. All you'll need is your favorite fragrance. For this, we picked Nag Champa, DPG or dipropylene glycol, a funnel, your blank incense sticks, a container to put your sticks in, preferably glass, and you mix your fragrance and your DPG in a ratio of 2 parts DPG and 1 part fragrance. This will allow the fragrance to easily absorb into your incense sticks, and it will provide a gray smoke, which is good, versus a black sooty smoke, which you'll get from using pure fragrance oil. So all you need to do, place your incense sticks in your container. This is my pre-mixed fragrance oil / DPG. Leave these sticks in your fragrance oil / DPG mixture. Leave it in here for 24 hours. After 24 hours has passed, all you have to do is take your container, funnel, drain your unused fragrance oil and DPG mixture back into your bottle. And then allow these sticks to dry for 24 hours. 24 hours later, you'll have incense sticks that are ready to go. You can dry these however you want. One thing a lot of people like to do is you'll take rubber band, put it around the sticks, and then suspend that over a container so the excess oil and DPG can drain off. And that's it.